Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of being here, you're welcome. My name is Jessica Rhema. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys on how I prepare these delicious noodles with minced beef. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Stay tuned as we'll be taking it step by step. Here are the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. 1 Scotch Bonnet, a piece of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 red bell pepper, 3 fresh tomatoes, 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, 1 onion, grinded crayfish, seasoning cubes, salt, curry powder, white pepper, and minced beef. Here also I've got 5 raw eggs. I will boil this, and this is just to add more protein to the food. And here is my vegetable oil. So here is the noodle I'll be preparing. This is 1 kilo of this particular noodle. First of all, I'll be slicing the tomatoes, the red bell pepper, and the onion. I will slice them one after the other and set aside. So now I've added some water into the pot. I will cover it and let it boil. Then I will add the noodle. So now, once the water starts boiling, I will add the noodle. I'll just allow this to boil for 2 minutes. Then I'll pour it into a sieve and allow it to strain. So now, after it has boiled for 2 minutes, I will pour this into a sieve and allow it to strain. So into a clean pot, I will add some oil. Once the oil heats up, I will add my chopped onion. I will fry this until it's translucent. Then I will add the tomatoes. Now I'll be adding the sliced fresh tomatoes. At the same time, I will add the thin chopped tomatoes. I'll give this a stir and add my blended ginger and garlic. Also, I will add the chopped Scotch bonnet and some salt. I'll cover this and allow this to cook for 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is the consistency. So now I'll be adding the rest of the ingredients. Seasoning cubes, curry powder, white pepper. I'll give this a stir and I will add the minced beef. So now as I add the minced beef, I'll be giving this a continuous stir, a kind of frying for at least 1 minute. After I fry this for 1 minute, I'll add some water to it and cover it to cook. Now after it has cooked for 5 minutes, I've tested the salt, and to this I'll be adding more salt. Also, I'll add the grinded crayfish. I'll give this a stir and add the parboiled noodle. Once I add the noodle, I'll give this a gentle stir. This will take about a minute. I will make sure the noodle and the sauce we prepared is properly mixed together. Reason, because I'll not be cooking this with much water. I've already parboiled the noodle. All I have to do is just to add a little water and cover it to cook on a low heat. So I'll take my time, like a minute, and give this a proper stir. I will mix everything very well. So once I have stirred it for like 1 minute and everything is very well mixed, then I'll add some water, just a little water, and I'll cover this to cook on a very low heat. Now it has cooked on a low heat for some minutes. The whole water, everything is okay. Now I'll be adding the sliced red bell pepper. I'll cover this to cook for just 1 minute. After the red bell pepper has cooked for 1 minute, this noodle is ready to be served. So guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching till the end. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with family and friends. This is very yummy. Trust me guys, your children will love this noodle recipe. Just give it a try and see how it goes. As you can see, I've already served this for myself. The egg I have already boiled, and here I have one. Thank you so much, and see you all in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye bye.